Hello, welcome to my channel. Look at the grass. I haven't cut this grass for almost 10 days now. It's grown really long. So today I'm gonna just use a push lawnmower to cut this grass. Here I have the Craftsman lawnmower here. This one is easy to start. All you need to do is just put the choke right here and then just pull the cord. That's it. Craftsman lawnmower with Honda engine. okay, it's done. So make sure you cut your grass at least once a week, or even sooner, because you know, if you let it grow too long, as you can see that the lawnmower had to work a little harder. I constantly had to tip my lawnmower up a little bit so that, you know, the blade doesn't get stuck. So that's my recommendation. Cut your grass at least once a week. Don't let it grow too long. This time of year, when it's a lot of rain, it doesn't take long for the grass to grow. So we're all done. To finish off, I have my leaf blower right here. And you just go around and just clean the lawnmower before I put it away. And the next thing I would do after I use the leaf blower, I just go around and dig up the dandelion with the shovel. So when I see the dandelion, you just use the shovel to dig it up. So here, one right there. One right here. Dig it up. Right there. I guess that's the best way to, instead of using, you know, using weed killer. That's another way to get rid of your just get rid of the weed. It's another one right here. It's a big one right here. Pretty big one.